What's up, guys? All right. Look, I'm gonna take you here, man. I'm gonna take you on a little journey. So everyone's out of the office today, except for Ale over here. Ale, the camera guy. So pretty soon you're gonna see how. So I want to go over this video on coaching. Okay. Pretty soon you're gonna see this. I'm in the conference room. Us going over our monthly coaching call. So we do have a coach that helps us with hiring, with business systems, with cold calling, with everything. And I don't know why people don't get coaches. I really don't know why. So it's almost like how can you afford not to get a coach to help you if they've been there, they've done the things.
I realized that I forgot to call you, so sorry about that.
It's all good.
I was literally sitting here. Alright, so what's been good?
So we had a bunch of good stuff. So we had a really good revenue week. We had like 116K or something in projected revenue, or 110K in a week. That consisted of 3 off-market deals, 2 on-market deals. And we say projected because that's just like revenue that obviously we project. And we sold, I think, 60-something thousand of it. We sold 68,000 of it so far. And this week we sold, I think, 18,000 of it.
So that's a great place to start. So, you know, we talked before, you guys were like, holy shit, the world's coming to an end. I mean, not exactly, but
right.
Okay, how do we really make money? And now you're crushing it. So what's the difference?
I would say,
What do we learn?
that's a great answer.
People in the office.
Yeah, I would say the biggest thing is, people in the office. We're tracking projected. We're really like tracking hard, like the revenue and the metrics, and also
We're really involved.
yeah, we're really involved. Pretty much like calls here all the time, all that shit.
So we'll get to that. We'll get to that in a bit, how we name the channel. But so what else? So, alright, so what's creating the change is the people are in the office.
The cold calling too in office has really gotten us a shitload of
69 leads in a week and a half.
69 leads in a week and a half.
Okay, how many people do you have calling?
4.
Awesome. And you sent me this, is this linked under Action Plan 3? Let me put this in here. Is this to like the tracking for the cold calling? Let me see what this
It's
is.
Brett in the Google Drive we have. If you click on 4/18/2019, I put all of our callers' individual tracking sheets in there.
Alright, hold on, I gotta do this thing where I try to find your stuff here. What was it called again?
So the folder, okay, I guess I should send you the folder link again. It's
Chris, tell me what's it called?
Brett Coaching, and then within Brett Coaching, it's 4/18/2019.
Brett Coaching. I got it on there. Okay, I'm there. And it's, what is it, 4/18/2019? I'm there.
And you got
Alright, what am I clicking now?
once if you any of those, copy of Rodrigo, copy of Mo, copy of Felipe, those are all individual callers and the sheets. The most data would be Adrian. If you click copy of Adrian, he's done the most calling.
Alright, so let's go through these. So I'm opening all. So let's start with Rodrigo. Just so you guys know how to approach this. So number 1, the problem with him is his contact ratio is shit. It's garbage.
Okay.
The initial,
Look at
yeah, and the initial one was the old data. So that first week was old data. So really, he's kind of like part-time. He does dispo, but he does calling randomly when he wants to. And so really, the only one he's done with new data is yesterday. But still, it's slow.
Alright, well, so that's better. It could be a setting, but look at the difference.
Yeah.
1.2, 1.8 versus 5. Like that's a big deal.
Right.
When he sets to appointments, that's very great. But we really want to make sure.
There's 2 things I've learned from coaching, and you guys should really write this shit down and really. I just hit myself. Put it in your brain. Put it in your brain. Number 1, everyone makes mistakes, and it's better to learn from the mistakes from somebody else than to make them all yourself. So let me shorten that. Number 1, basically learn from mistakes. That's what coaching does. You learn from his mistakes. On our last calls, basically we talked a little about cold calling, which he does a lot of, and we're like, hey, what buttons do our guys click? Click these buttons. Ah, shit. That would have taken us 2 weeks to figure out. We solved it in 30 seconds. So yeah, mistakes. That's what books are made. That's why there's podcasts. Like you learn from people that do shit, and you don't do that shit. You do the opposite shit, and you should get better results. Tons of mistakes out there, guys. Don't do them. Don't mess them up. All right. Number two. Number two. Guys, look at me. Look at my eyes here. Look at my eyes here. You can always be better. You can always be better. And a coach, what they do, a good coach, right? They're always gonna push you to be better, okay? So it's not that you're not good enough, it's not that your efforts are not good enough, but what a coach does is that you give him the results you've had, and he says, great, here's how you can do better. Great, this is what you should do to do better. And a lot of times, oftentimes, we don't have the answers. We don't know how much more to spend in marketing. You can throw shit on the wall, but you don't know strategically what to do. We don't know who our next hire should be. And although we can kind of come up with the answers ourselves, if you have coaches and stuff, just have them tell you like, yo dude, based on your business, you should hire this person next. Dude, based on your business, you should spend this much more or not spend this much. Based on your business, you're not getting enough leads. Based on your business, you should still be in your business. You should go on appointments. You should do this. You should do that. So coaching is so key. And I want to make this, I'm going to kind of cut this off and just take you on a little journey. And you're going to see in a second us getting our coaching call. But guys, I would encourage you, it doesn't have to be one that you pay for. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Just look for someone who knows a little bit more. Just a fucking little bit, man. Just like you want to get pumped, you gotta look for somebody who's pumped, right? So anyways, guys, enjoy it. Peace. See you. I'm not gonna do an outro here, so subscribe, like this shit. I'll see you guys later. See you guys on the other side. Peace.